So students, we were discussing about this question: what is the simplest formula of the compound which has the following percentage composition? कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन percentage compositions हमें given है. तो हमें if the molecular mass is 32, molecular mass is also given, we have to find out molecular formula. So first step to finding the molecular formula, firstly we have to calculate the empirical formula, and we know how to calculate empirical formula, right? So firstly we will write the elements which is given to us, that is carbon and hydrogen. After that we will write the percentage amount which is given to us. The carbon is given 80% and hydrogen is given 20%, right? Atomic mass of both the elements we will write. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 or hydrogen is 1. So we will find after that relative number of moles. So relative number of moles is equal to percentage divided by atomic mass, that we will get divided by 80 by 12 or 20 by 1. So we will get here relative number of moles, that is 5 or 20, right? After that we have to write the simple ratio. So simple ratio, to finding the simple ratio we have to check here the lowest number and divide these numbers with that lowest number, right? So 5 divided by 5, because 5 in both the cases is lowest number, so we will get 1, and we will divide 20 by 5, we will get 4. So if you find the simplest whole number ratio, that will be the same, because it is coming whole number. Okay, so from here we will get the empirical formula, that is CH4, because we have getting the value of carbon or hydrogen from here. So now we have to find out molecular formula. So to finding out molecular formula, we will write empirical formula mass, right? Empirical formula mass, how we can write it? It is equal to the mass of the given elements in a molecule. So we will find the empirical formula mass for CH4. It will be 16. I hope this is clear to all the students, because we have discussed it earlier also, how to find out the molecular mass, right? And it is also the same. Okay, so firstly we will find the value of N, that is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So molecular mass value is given to us in the statement, that is 32, okay, and divided by empirical formula mass that we have just find out 16. So we will divide 32 by 16, we will get 2. So value of N is 2. Okay, now put the value of N in the formula which we have discussed earlier. So molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N, right? This is the relation between molecular or empirical formula. So put the values here. Empirical formula that we have just calculated, that is CH4 into value of N, that will be 2. So after multiplying these values, but we get C2H8. So we will get C2H8. This will be our molecular formula. I hope this is clear. So this is how we can calculate the molecular formula. Firstly we have to calculate empirical formula, right? After that empirical formula mass we have considered. After that the value of N, and putting all the values in the given formula. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you.